Hello my wonderful people, welcome back again to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. Today tori wey we carry come, my people. Now Proko carried the post from Jama First Lady Family Channel. Now they post the post, so Proko godfather come bring her the posts come out. So but the yesterday the mother come out to explain how everything take happen. So na im make Jama First Lady, or na im husband Baba Ken, na im drop this post say he go come out for your mama. So the post come say, I will be coming now, adding more lies to lie. Last 2 years I was the saint. Last 2 years was the same thing you did, and now you have start it again, but this time I will not give you any chance. Wait for me. Go no be small, my people. So now people come out. Maybe na Jama First Lady dey tell im mama, im mother-in-law say she dey lie, or na im son dey tell her. I no know, but na the post when they draw for im house na im be this one, say e dey lie again. So na people come out, dey contribute, as in dey drop comments. Before we go read our comments for today, my wonderful people, please, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please no fail to subscribe on your notification bell in case whenever I post a video now receive our video. Please no fail to share this video. Share my people, okay, to make this channel go far. Beg, I know we can do it. Please subscribe to support this channel, my amazing people. So let's go to the comment section. I know now the comment section now we dey. Now the comment section, yes, so is our work. Oh, no be some more. So the first comment one will they take today say that boy is laying curse upon himself, insulting a mother that suffer for you from your beginning till now. So she said, oh boy, change you. Okay, sorry. So my people, now know now as we dey edit, will they put the comment when we dey read, so that una go dey see am. They not be we just carry the talk. Now wetin commenters drop, now we they talk. So the next comment can say, mama na mama, no matter what your mother did to you, 9 months not 9 months, no be 9 days. Oh, you go see wife buy for market, but you no go ever see mama buy for market. May God continue to strengthen all mothers. Amen. Oh, really, these commenters, wetin you talk na truth. You see wife when you get money, you see wife. May you remember, I dey always dey talk, and it can be say this woman, Kevin mother dey lie, we no know. Can be say Kevin mother dey lie, we no know. Because yesterday for my other channel, when I drop this video, then people come dey drop comment say this woman dey lie well. So we no know the lie for inside, which I know this person when talk drop that comment, that person, she know they carry, they drop comment. So we not gonna know who they lie for among them, whether na im mama, whether na the pikin, or na the wife they lie. We not gonna know. But I know we not care to know if na the mama they lie or na the pikin. Wetin we just need from them na settlement. Because wife, when you get money, you fit see woman for road with your money. When you get money, you no go fit buy mama, you fit buy woman with money. You know that? Yes, it's possible. You fit buy woman with money, but with your money you can never buy a mother. You know that? With money you can never buy mama. For that day when your mama agree to keep your belle, please use that little day. I even call her little. Use that day to respect her. She know about you. Sorry, she no comot you for belle. She agree to keep that baby. Up till now, she carry you from bongo enter where you dey till you come see woman when marry you. Abeg, use that only those things, at least 9 months when she take carry you, use am respect her. Mama na mama, no matter what, no matter wetin she do, no matter all the thousands lie when she dey lie, forgive her. And you mama, make you still try forgive them. No matter wetin your son wife do you, she's your wife, she's your daughter. Forgive her and let all these things go. Try forgive her. I don't know all this mama self we say mama too dey do pass their self. Forgive her. Your son love the woman. Try your best. May you still love that woman as your child. So let's take the next comment, my people. Shameless and mannerless child and so-called wife. Nonsense. Oh, this one just dey. You shall be ashamed of yourself. Like she wanted to say, you shall be ashamed of yourself. No matter what, she still your mother, bad pikin. Say the mother must have done something terrible to you, but that does not give you the right to talk to your mother in this mannerless way. My brother, think well. Think well. A word is enough for the wise. God bless you. God bless you. The next comment say, may we not born bad pikin. Amen. And the next one say, I know it's not easy. Mama, move on with yourself. She cannot move on with herself. It's not easy for a child when you give birth to with your belle. Pikin when you carry for belle for how many months? Some pikin they stay for 9 months. Some they stay more than 9 months. You carry her for your belle. You can't push am out after that 9 months. Come say your pikin come dey do enemy with you. You get as e be, my sister or my brother when talk this one say me move on. She cannot. Just say God bless that woman with good body. She go dey think. I dey social media, my pikin dey social media. We not dey in good time. You get as e be. I don't know whether Baba Kevin still dey think like that. Because you get as e be. So let's take our next comment. Say, no matter what your mother have done, forgive her. She is your mother. Una when see mama call mama, una no know wetin God do for una. Do for una at all. So na your mama you wan come dey do saga with for social media. So bad of you. Yeah. Let's take our next comment. Madam, leave him. He is under a spell. This girl no kill me. Anywhere where I go, I must see this girl. He say, pray for him to come back to his sense. If you ask me, that is your son is not in his. That your son is not in his right sense. Okay. The next comment can say, if they are against their mother marrying a white man, that does not make her devil. Your mother is still your mother. Wind can go, but mother is irreplaceable. God bless you. Mama is irreplaceable. No matter what, she's irreplaceable. Mother prayer for you. I don't know how to explain these things. You can choose a mother outside, but you can choose a mother outside. She can never be like that woman who carry you in her womb for good 10 months or 9 months. So my brother, please find a place in your heart to forgive your mama. She is irreplaceable. Nobody can replace her place. Nobody. You feel say, okay, you are in love with your wife today, and you dey in love, and so mama can fuck off, mama can go. I don't know. Let's take our next comment. It says, Mr. Boy, what you do to your mother, your children will do the same to you in Jesus' name. Say a big amen to this prayer. Oh my God, yes. Nakama. You no feel hurt your mama today. Say you no beg for God forgiveness. You can't expect your children may they treat you right. But we no know wetin happen o. Most still dey consider both of them. Something fit happen, but anything wey happen, make Baba Kevin or Baba Kevin try find a place like to forgive your mama, no matter wetin happen. If na because of say she married to white man after your dad, e no mean she no fit dey like that. Your mommy na swagalicious mommy o. Swagalicious mom. So she no fit just dey like that. So my brother, find a place in your heart to forgive her, because you get boys children today. I dey see your children, all those your cute children. Say tomorrow they come marry, they'll come abandon you. How will you feel? You will feel bad. Please my brother, please find a place to forgive mama. She fit hurt you, she fit do you wetin you no expect, but forgive her just because of Christ's sake, not because of people when they talk, just because of God and because of your children when you still get. Okay, let's take our next comment. You say, anything you do to your mother come back to you. Anything you do to your mother-in-law, you will too be mother-in-law, and it will come back to you. That is law of karma. 100%. 100%. Now law of karma. When you maltreat your mother-in-law today, you dey expect say your son go marry and the children go maltreat you, and your son wife go maltreat you good. Never. E no dey happen like that. When you sow a good seed, that good seed you go reap am for front. When you sow evil seed, that evil seed you reap am for front. No be we talk am, na Bible talk am. So let's take our next comment. Say, this is non-honorary. How can your two children just be against you? Evil people have turned your children against you. May God not let us see. May God not let us see evil people when will turn our children against us. Children wey person suffer for. Hey. If you be mother, you know wetin you know wetin that woman dey pass through. Say your pikin go dey do enemy with you. Pikin wey you suffer for, at the end she come still carry you come abroad. E no abandon you from bogo. Say make you dey suffer. E no easy o. Abeg try make you forgive your mama o. Let's take our next comment. Our next comment say, mama, leave these people and move forward. The Benin people say, if you are cooking yam and one pieces of the yam removed from pot, that does not make the other yam not to cook. So madam, leave your son and his so-called wife to reap what they what they plant. If you have other children, consider on them and leave this mumu boy. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy, my sister. It's not easy for her to leave her son. Say, okay, I don't abandon you. Since you say I no reach to be your mama, okay, you go. It's not easy. It's not easy. Not easy. As a mother, even a father, it's not easy. Say your son or your child will come dey follow you, dey do enemy. It's not easy. No be 1 year, no be 2 years, no be 1 day, no be a week, no be 1 month. Come on, it's too much. Please, Baba Ken, Baba Kevi, they call her Baba Ken. Baba Kevi, please forgive mama and go back to her. She go bless you. So let's take our next comment. As for nothing you can do or say about your mother or mother-in-law that will work. You have 4 kids. You have 4 kids. How you treat your mother and mother-in-law is the same way its kids wife will treat you. Okay, it's the same way your kids wife will treat you. So next comment, so I say, not until your mother lay a curse on you and your wife, your hair will not come down. Wayward children. So somebody can reply the comment to you say, but that mama don make me dey shame why she even come out. Na well, if children dey misbehave, why mama no behave like adult? I just tire. She for just ignore dem. Dey she for just ignore dem than to dey reply dem for social media. Turn that koboko you there.